Hi guys, Thursday night. Where's Whoopi? Where's Whoopi? There she is. Hey monster, what are you doing? Huh? You just coming in from outside? Yeah? Are you waiting for pizza? You want some pizza? Hey, just looking up at me. You want some pizza? Huh? Come here. Oh, she finished her food. They were making a boiling a chicken on the stove, a whole chicken. I didn't put any garlic or onions or anything. That's kind of for her. Well, can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Are you a good doggy? And I do make a mess when I cook. This is just a little piece of sausage. Would you like it? Are you being a good dog? Were you outside? Yeah. Yeah? You were outside twice. Hey, can you speak? Okay. Well, that's all that's going on around here. Wolfie, did you knock the broom over? You got toys everywhere. What do you want to go out there for? Alright, guys. Have a good night, everyone. Let's hope this war nonsense stops fast. Who knows where it's going to lead. But we have to think good thoughts. Bye, guys.